So as y'all can see, this wig is way too long for me. It's OUTRE SADIE 32 inches. I always like to cut these units down. I try to wear them in the 32 inch form, but it's just way too long. So I'm just taking a pair of scissors and just randomly cutting it, going back and forth with it. After I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and work on making this wig look more realistic. I'm first going to secure the wig down with the combs in the front and in the back. And I'm going to take some Eben 24-hour edge control. I like the one in the green container. Tell me, which one do y'all think has the best hold? I think it's the green, but I'm hearing that it's possibly the purple. I don't know. I think green holds the best. It holds the best for me. So this is pretty self-explanatory, or like visual wise. It's not really much talking I need to do here. It's just me working and laying my edges. I do it with the edge control and a tad bit of water. All right, so once I get my edges in place how I like them, I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to tie my hair down. I also needed to tie it down so that I could try to get rid of some of the lumpiness in the wig as well. So I leave it on for about 30 to 40 minutes. All right, now we're going to take this off, and you see the edges are nice and laid. I feel like the wig has a little bit of a synthetic like shine to it. So to fix that, I like to take this serum by Paul Mitchell. Comes in this green bottle, and I just like to take a few pumps and run it through the hair. I think it makes the hair look more realistic, almost wet like, and then it just dries and looks way more realistic than the synthetic look. And this is pretty much what we're working with and what we're looking like right now. Okay guys, I hope that y'all really enjoyed how I actually got my wig together. I know that a lot of times I come on camera and you just see the wig on my head and you do not know what I truly have to go through to get this wig together. Now, I will say after all of the work, I am really liking this unit. Initially, when I put this unit on, I could not stand it. If you haven't already got the name of it, the unit is by OUTRE. The unit name is Sadie, and it's a 32-inch unit. I think this is definitely going to be the last 32-inch unit that I'm ever going to get, and I'm sure you can guess why, because I always cut my 32-inch units. It's just way too long. I don't know if I feel that way because it's synthetic hair. Like, I don't know how it would feel if it was human hair, Brazilian hair, or something like that, but it's just way too long for me, and I'm 5'9", so I can't imagine anyone that's shorter than me wearing 32 inches of hair. Is like, it's too long. It immediately looks fake. It looks like it's synthetic. And a big thing with me and my synthetics is I never want my synthetics to look synthetic. I want them to look good. I want to be able to show my viewers something that is affordable, something that everyone can afford, that matches everybody's price point, but they look real. Like, that's just the whole purpose of me reviewing synthetic units. But anyways, I'm not going to be getting another 32-inch unit unless I just really love the style and I can just go ahead and cut it. That was definitely a big major con for me. Another con with this unit is I felt that it's a little bit too lumpy. Now, I've been just like pressing, like trying to take my hands and like press down as much as I can. And I also like wore the scarf, as you can see. And I think it helps some, but I really like for the top of my head, the crown area to lay flat. And I still see a little bit of poofiness right here in the crown. It's not really bad. I've definitely had worse, but it's a little bit of a con to me. Going into the pros of this unit, because the unit definitely does have some pros. I really love the curl texture. I'm gonna go get close so y'all can see what it's looking like. It's a really pretty curl pattern. The color is really pretty as well. I'm not normally a burgundy girl, and that's just simply because my girlfriend really doesn't like the burgundy hair. But I think with the dark roots, I like it a whole lot more. I believe the color, let me see if I can get the exact color name for y'all real quick. Hold on. The color name is DR425. I always think I confuse this 425 with the 99J. It's very similar, but it's not exact. I think I really need to get a true 99J. Is there anyone out there that wears 99J? Do you think it would look good on me? Comment and let me know down below. Another pro about this unit is with all Outre units, they are always big head friendly. The combs are placed in good placements. I know y'all see me, like when I was working with my baby hair, I was like fiddling around trying to put the combs down to secure them because I like to do that before I try to lay my baby hair. And the combs were in perfect placement. Sometimes units can place combs in the most weirdest, awkward places, but this time the unit was definitely 2 thumbs up with that. Another major pro about this unit is it's super duper full. How I feel about curly hair is if I'm going to wear curly hair, the bigger the better. I like that I was able to cut it down to a nice length for me. I think right now it's probably anywhere between 20 to 22 inches. That's really good for me in curly hair because I feel like it's already so big and attention seeking. Is it attention? Should I say my hair is attention seeking? What does that say about me? Attention grabbing, that I don't need it to be super duper long, but I do need it to be super full. If I had to equate it to bundles, this hair is so full, it has to be like 4 bundles and a closure in this wig. Another pro is the parting space. I think the parting space looks pretty good. I didn't have to do any tweezing. Y'all can see what it looks like up close. And all I had to do was put down my concealer. I know a lot of you asked me what brand of concealer to use. Honestly, it does not matter the brand of concealer. You just need to find something that is going to be nice and matching to your skin tone. Overall, I am pretty happy with the unit. I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5 stars on my scaling system, and that is just because a big major con for me was the length and also the humpiness of the unit. The unit is retailing for $23.99. I think that that is an amazing price for this unit. It's definitely something that's nice and fun for winter and very, very full. So I would only suggest that you actually get this unit in winter because it's nice and cool. If you got it in summer, it would probably be too heavy and too hot. It does have a nice amount of weight to the unit. Before I end this review, I just want to say special thanks to SAMSBEAUTY.com for sending me over this unit. Look down below, y'all, so y'all can see the link to where I got this unit from. You can also get the link to Sam's Beauty. A lot of y'all ask me where do I get synthetic units from. Mostly all of my synthetics come from SAMSBEAUTY.com. They always have the freshest, newest amount of wigs. They always just keep a good stock, and they keep it very, very good price. So I really like working with Sam's Beauty, and I also like shopping with Sam's Beauty as well because I do make my own purchases. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please thumbs it up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss when I post a new video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Stay pretty.